Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Colors of Mathematics. In this channel, I am trying to make math beautiful and colorful. So today I have brought a problem from class 8, linear equations in one variable. So let's solve this equation to find out the value of x. So in this equation, if you look at it carefully, we have 3x minus 8 and the whole of it is divided by 2x. This LHS is a ratio of two numbers. The numerator is 3x minus 8 and the denominator is 2x. So if we look at it carefully, this whole part, the numerator, is divided by 2x. So we can take 2x to the other side in the first step. So we will get 3x minus 8 is equal to 1 into 2x. So which can be simplified further as 3x minus 8 is equal to 2x. Let's bring the variables together on one side. So we have 3x minus 2x and let's take the constants on the other side. So 8 goes to the other side and becomes positive. Here it is getting subtracted. On the other side it's going to get added. So the sign gets changed from negative to positive. So now we have x is equal to 8. So I hope it is clear till now. Let's check our answer. How to check our answer? We can put the value of x in the LHS, that is the left hand side. So we have 3 into 8 minus 8 divided by 2 into 8. So we get 24 minus 8 divided by 16, which is equal to 16 by 16, which is equal to 1. And which is equal to RHS, that is the right hand side. So that means our answer is correct. So I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching.